So, I'm currently in DC, like Washington, DC. And I haven't really vlogged much today. We went to the Capitol and did a tour. I did take a quick video of the rotunda, so I'll stick that in right now. I
have them all written down on my phone.
What are you doing?
I'm like, let's tapping you on the shoulder. It didn't really work though.
and I also, what else did we do today? Air and Space Museum, yeah. And the only video I took in there was me touching the freaking moon. I mean, obviously it was like a piece of it they brought back down to Earth. I didn't like get on a really tall ladder, but it was really cool. But I took a video of that and I will put it in right now.
Wow.
But I was a bad vlogger, which I didn't really know if you could do it in the Capitol anyway. They said you could take pictures. They didn't say anything about video. But it was cool. We got to just go around and learn about it. And we got like to go in the tunnel from the Senate offices down to the Capitol. And if you don't know the relevance of the Capitol, it's where Elle Woods went in Legally Blonde 2 to put Bruiser's bill in the hopper. And speaking of that, we got to go in the house gallery where the hopper is located. I didn't actually see the hopper because I wasn't sure where to look, but I got to see that. So that's, you know, Elle Woods really brought that into relevancy, I feel like. Don't you, Ash? Yeah. So I just came out of the White House. You can see it right there behind me. My sister's talking to the camera too. It was really cool. We got to do the tour. I tried to take a couple videos, but then I found out you couldn't film in there, so I didn't really do a lot, but there's Ashley with me. Nope. Okay. So the relevance of the White House is in White House Down, and
That's
also this is where Elle Woods wants to live. So this is her dream home right behind me. It's the vagina ring. I know. That's so cool. Welcome to my house. Just got off the world's longest escalator ever. I also accidentally paid $14 for a one-day card, so I lost it. Is this the subway? I don't see any sandwiches.
What is she getting at here?
That's our train leaving us. Bye. Bye. Oh, I thought that man was going to wave at me. He was just grabbing the pole. He's on the pole. Ah. Actually, I can't help but feel like we're on the wrong side of the track. Do you know what the subway's favorite sport was in high school? Track. She's walking away like she's going to get away from me. What's down there? Oh. Sorry, I got off track. You know how they know where the subway is? Yeah. They track it. So you're a teacher, right?
Yeah.
Who's taking care of her class right now?
It's Saturday.
Who took care of it yesterday?
So?
Like a subway. Apologize for that one. That one was weak.
That one.
Of that. Who's taking care of her class?
Nobody. It's Saturday.
Friday.
Sub.
That's the way to go. Subway. What's that band that plays that song? You go shake, 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 shake it.
Metro Station.
Yeah. We're in the National Museum of American History or something. I don't really know. We're about to go see the Star Spangled Banner. That's crazy. Was it like paint? We got the pictures done. Got my shoes.
It's Dorothy Sears.
Eleanor Roosevelt's plates. You know what the relevancy is of her?
She was an Annie.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I did Eleanor Roosevelt. She was an Annie. been 2 years since they were inaugurated. Say Archie. Archie. So if you look behind me, that's the Capitol building. There. The relevancy of that is, on Legally Blonde 2, that's where Elle took the hopper. I already said this last night. It's where she took the bill to put in the hopper and all that. Bruiser's bill. Do you remember that, Ashley? That's why everybody knows where that building is, so. Now, if you look behind me, that's the Washington Monument. The relevancy of that is on Spider-Man Homecoming. That's where he saved everyone from the elevator. So that's how everyone knows what that is. Hey, where are you going? Closer to the monument from Spider-Man. It's really tall and skinny, opposite of me.
Which one is that? Infinity War? No.
Thor Ragnarok.
Thor Ragnarok.
The relevancy of World War II is that's what war Captain America and Steve Rogers and Bucky Barnes fought in. So that's how people know what that is.
I can't stand you right now. That's not the significance.
So now we're by the pool of the National Mall, and the relevancy of that is, there he goes. Just kidding. That's where Captain America runs to the beginning of The Winter Soldier, which is the best MCU movie. And runs around Falcon and says, on your left, on your left, on your left. And he's like, chat, I know. He doesn't tell me that though. I'm walking backwards right now. I couldn't tell. That's water.
They also walk out in there and go in. Or there's like a door, or stairs or something.
In the pool?
It's like a secret room, yeah, a secret entrance. I don't know if it's in that movie or not. It's in one of them.
I don't think that's in that movie.
Wait, maybe that's that movie with Steve Carell and Anne Hathaway?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She doesn't know what's relevant. So we're here at the Lincoln Memorial. Ashley, do you know the relevancy of the Lincoln Memorial?
What?
This is where Elle Woods came in Legally Blonde 2. Well, she wasn't quite sure what to do, so that's why people know what the Lincoln Memorial is. Do you recognize it? It's too tall. Okay, but in all seriousness, that's really true. Excuse me, what is the time? Unimpressed. Same. Hey, can I have some Monopoly pieces? The last bag on sale in the store. Selfie.
Bring him over here, I have a bed. So they carry him over to that boarding house, which is where we're going to go next. It's called the Peterson House, and it's very tiny.
We're here at the MLK Jr., Martin Luther King Jr., what's the word, memorial. Ashley's here, she's just not saying anything. And I don't have a joke about that, but I do have something funny. Do you want to tell the story, Ash?
We were at my classroom one night and Amy pulled out a poster about Martin Luther King Jr., but it just had his initials. And she was like, who's Milk Jr.?
Yeah. So we're at the Franklin D. Roosevelt Memorial, and do you know the relevancy of him, Ash?
He was in the Annie movie.
He sang, "The sun will come out tomorrow," in Annie, so that's how people know who he is today. You see what that says? The sun will come out tomorrow.
No, it doesn't.
So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. It'll be sun. It's a great quote. I like Eleanor Roosevelt, you know why? When she's stuck with the day that's gray and lonely, she just sticks out her chin. I'm talking about Eleanor Roosevelt. She says the sun will come out tomorrow. So we're at the Jefferson Memorial. Ashley, do you know why Jefferson's relevant?
Why?
Because he's on Mount Rushmore, which is in the film National Treasure. So that's how everybody knows who Jefferson is.
He's also a lot of money.
Ooh, that's a good point. I don't have any of that, so I wouldn't know. Is this the airport clock?
I don't know what it was just to say.
We're going home. Bye, DC.
Finally.
One more thing. Ashley, do you want to tell the story?
No, go ahead.
I
don't know. I don't know what to do.
I don't even know what happened. We were going up this ginormous escalator of the subway. It was like 10 stories tall, literally.
So long.
It wasn't actually 10 stories, but I don't know. It was like
tall.
probably triple the length I would think of a regular one.
At least.
Like, I'm not exaggerating, but it's taking like 8 years to go up. I am now 30 something. And Ashley over here has an umbrella around her wrist. And what did it get caught on the side?
Yes, like I just felt it pulling.
Yeah, she felt it pulling.
And I looked down and it was like caught in the escalator.
And
I tried to pull it back.
And she couldn't.
But the string broke, and then as it was pulling, it just pulled it open. Until eventually I can't even hold on to it anymore, so I just had to leave it.
It's like still stuck and it's open and upright, like sideways. And it's just like on every step. And we watch this man like get and go past it, and he just kind of like looks at it like, what the heck?
I didn't know what to do. I couldn't do anything.
I mean, at least it was just a really cheap umbrella, not like your purse or your hand. But it was funny. So yeah, only one umbrella. All right.